How to make homemade Arabian Mahshi Avocado Banana Smoothie, Iftar and Ramadan Special. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Ramadan is just around the corner, and today we have a special treat for you, homemade Arabian Mahshi Avocado Banana Smoothie. It's not only delicious but also perfect for iftar, providing a refreshing start to breaking your fast. So, let's dive into the ingredients. For this delightful smoothie, you will need ingredients: 2 ripe avocados, 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, 2 tablespoons of honey, ½ teaspoon of ground cardamom, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a pinch of salt, ice cubes, optional, chopped nuts for garnish, optional. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's move on to the preparation. Step 1, peel and pit the avocados, then chop them into chunks. Do the same with the bananas, ensuring they are ripe for the perfect sweetness. Step 2, add the avocado and banana chunks into a blender. Step 3, pour in the milk of your choice. We're using dairy milk today, but you can opt for almond milk or any other plant-based milk for a vegan version. Step 4, add in the honey for natural sweetness. Adjust the amount according to your taste preferences. Step 5, sprinkle in the ground cardamom and cinnamon for that authentic Arabian flavor. Don't forget a pinch of salt to balance out the sweetness. Now, it's time to blend everything together until smooth and creamy. And there you have it, our Arabian Mahshi Avocado Banana Smoothie is ready. But wait, we're not done yet. For that extra touch, you can add some ice cubes to make it extra refreshing, especially during those warm Ramadan evenings. And finally, for a beautiful presentation, garnish your smoothie with some chopped nuts. We're using almonds today, but feel free to use any nuts you like. And there you have it, our homemade Arabian Mahshi Avocado Banana Smoothie, ready to be enjoyed during iftar or any time of the day. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. The creaminess of the avocado, the sweetness of the banana, and the aromatic spices truly make this smoothie a delight for the taste buds. Plus, it's packed with nutrients to keep you energized throughout Ramadan. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it with your loved ones during Ramadan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes. Ramadan Mubarak. Ma'as salama.